Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome back to JEE Enthuse. Hoping that you guys are doing great, having a good time. Well, people, you can let me know in the chat box if I'm audible and visible to everyone. Yes. Hello, Pranish. Hi, Renu. Hi, Chiranjeevi. Yes, I remember you. Hi, Shrey. Hi, Shavin. Hello, Nancy. Hello, Buana. Hello, Sahana. Hi, Danu. Hello, Ishani. I cannot call all the names, guys. So, welcome to the session. Welcome to the session. Yeah. Welcome back to JEE Enthuse. So, people, you can let me know in the chat box if I'm audible and visible to everyone. Yeah. You can let me know in the chat box if I'm audible and visible to everyone. No, this is not the last session of this chapter. This is just, I have come up with a Menti session so that this is basically the level 1 Menti, you can call it, right? Okay, because the questions which I have come up in the tonight's Menti session, these are very simple questions, right? I just want to check whether your basic things about the mole concept are clear or not, right? After this Menti, we are going to have one more session on this mole concept, which is going to be for empirical and molecular formula. And with that topic, this chapter is going to get over, right? And after that, one more session I'll be taking in which I'll be covering all the previous year JEE Mains and advanced questions from the same chapter, right? Perfect, 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 right? Someone is saying, sir, you're not audible. People, can you let me know in the chat box if I'm audible and visible to everyone? Yeah? Can you let me know in the chat box with some thumbs ups? Surely, Shruti, I'll be doing that as well. No issues. Yeah? Perfect, guys. So, as you all must be knowing, tonight we are going to have a Menti session from the chapter mole concept, right? Whatever topics we have discussed till now in the mole concept, I have covered all the topics through some basic questions which are going to cover your basic things about this chapter, right? So, before starting the session, for the ones who are new to the channel, who do not know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Wassim Sir and I'm your chemistry master digital writer on this JEE Enthuse channel. Okay? Perfect. Sujata, you just follow the bridge course is something, bridge course is the part of this chapter only. So first you go for the bridge course. Those are 3 sessions. After that, you come to this chapter exactly, right? Okay? Perfect. So people, the ones who have not liked the video yet, please do like the video. Do share the video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well so that everyone gets benefited out of these sessions in this pandemic, yeah? Right? Do like the video, share the video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon at the same time so that you get the notification of every single session which I'll be taking right here on this channel. Thank you, Devansh. Thank you. Thank you, Chat with Music. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi, Vansh. Welcome to the session. Perfect, guys. So, we are going to have the Menti session. So let me start the Menti. Just give me a second. Right? Let's get started. So people, how to participate in this Menti? I want all of you to go to www.menti.com, right? And type the code 5784732 in order to participate. Yeah? Okay. Buona, in the morning, I take sessions on NEET Elite channel, okay, in the morning. People, just go to www.menti.com, type the code 5784732 so that we can start the session directly without wasting a lot of time. I want all of you, whosoever is watching the video now, I want all of you to go to www.menti.com, yeah, and after that, use the code 5784732, then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session, right? Okay. Purushottam I'll be sharing the timetable tomorrow, okay? No, Chaitanya, it's not stopped, okay? Day after tomorrow, I'll be taking the session for 2022 people as well, okay? So we will go to menti.com, go to www.menti.com and type the code 5784732 so that you can participate in this session, yeah? Thank you, Chiranjeevi. Thank you. Thank you so much. Perfect, guys. Do it fast. Join in fast, guys, so that we can start the session directly, yeah? No, Aditya, the questions are very simple. As I told you, this is the level 1 Menti, right? Which is going to cover your basic, small things of this chapter. Right? Hi Vansh, Free Fire. What's up? Do it fast, do it fast. The ones who have not joined in yet, go to www.menti.com and type the code 5784732. Then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session. Yeah? No, Nakul, it's for the students who have just joined class 11th. Yeah? Preeti, my batch is starting on 24th of May. You can enroll in that batch, okay? While enrolling, just use the coupon code as WSPRO if you want me to be your master teacher of chemistry, right? Okay, so people, again I'm telling you, the ones who are new to the channel, okay, go to www.menti.com, type the code 5784732, then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session, yeah? Do it fast, do it fast. Raj, I'm doing great, how are you? The next chapter is most probably going to be the atomic structure. Yeah? Right? Wonderful. The ones who have not joined in yet, go to menti.com, type the code 5784732, then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session. Yes? And people, the winner is going to be my Instagram story for one day. Okay, whosoever is going to be the winner, he's going to be my story on the social media for one complete day, okay? Right? So just do the session honestly, right? And kill it, because the questions are very simple. Level 1 questions these are, right? Okay? The ones who have not joined in yet, go to www.menti.com, type the code 5784732, then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session. And the ones who have not liked the video yet, do not forget to like the video before starting the session, and do not forget to share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon as well, yeah? Okay? Right? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Just give me some green signal from the chat box so that I can start, yeah? Just give me some green signal from the chat box so that I can start the session directly without wasting a lot of time, yeah? Just give me some green signal fast. Yes. Nakul Crash Course is available on NEET Elite channel. NEET Elite is the name of the channel in which Crash Course is available. Like, I've taken majority of the chapters there on that channel. Perfect. Okay, the ones who are new, go to www.menti.com, type the code 5784732, then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session. I want all of you to do it fast, to join in fast, so that we can start the session without wasting a lot of time, yeah? Do it fast, do it fast. Sanya, let's see. Let's see. Sai, we are going to start atomic structure. That's going to be our next chapter. Okay? Right? Well, a lot of people are joining in. I want all of you to join in fast, guys. Join in fast. Call your friends, join in fast. Yes? Join in fast. Yes, those are one-shot videos, Nakul. You can watch them up. Right, join in fast, join in fast. So, let's get started then. People, I'll tell you one thing. Do not write the answer in the chat box, okay? Whosoever is going to write the answer in the chat box, at that time itself, he's going to get blocked by the operational team, okay? So if you want to participate honestly in the tonight's Menti session, I want you guys to go to menti.com. Just go to www.menti.com, type the code 5784732, then only you can participate, right? Okay, right? You're not supposed to write the answers in the comment chat box. Whosoever is going to write the answers in the chat box, he's going to get blocked at that time itself, right? You won't be able to comment on any of the videos on this channel then. Okay? Perfect, guys. So let's get started then. Let's get started without wasting a lot of time. Let me see how many people have joined in here. Let me see how many people have joined in. Well, wonderful, guys. Great job done. Great job done. Let's get started with the first question, which is going to be on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and now. A very simple question. What is the molecular mass of H2SO4? All of you must answer this question. Must is the term which I used. A simple question, guys, right? I'm giving you proper time of 1 minute. Just use your pen and paper and let me know its answer, yeah? Let me know fast. Let me know fast. And you guys are not going to write the answers in the chat box. Prudvi, how many times I'll tell you you're not supposed to write the answer in the chat box? If you want to do that, then this is not your channel, okay? I'm really sorry to say it. If you want to participate, go to menti.com, not in the chat box. Yeah, if you are in Menti, then why are you typing your answers in the chat box? I mean, why? You have got 5 more seconds. Yes, you have got 5 more seconds. A very simple and basic question, right? The time is up. The time is up. Well, majority of the students have given the correct answer. It was a very simple and ordinary basic question, I must say, right? You were given with something called as H2SO4. Yeah? You were given with something called as H2SO4 and you were supposed to calculate its molecular mass, right? Isn't it simple? What is molecular mass? The sum of atomic masses of different elements in a molecule. Yes. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? That's 1 AMU. Multiplied by how many hydrogens do we have? 2 hydrogens, right? What is the atomic mass of sulfur? It is 32. How many sulfur atoms do we have? Only 1, right? What is the atomic mass of oxygen? That's 16 AMU. How many oxygen atoms do we have? We have 4 oxygen atoms, right? If you calculate it, you get the value as 98 U, or you can call it as 98 AMU. This is basically the molecular mass of H2SO4. This is the mass of one molecule of H2SO4, right? Or I can say one molecule of H2SO4 is 98 times heavier than 1 AMU, right? Or I can say one molecule of H2SO4 is 98 times heavier than 1/12 of mass of carbon-12 atom. Yeah? Okay? Wonderful. Wonderful, guys. Perfect. I'm not going to show you the leaderboard right now. After every second question, I'll be showing you the leaderboard, right? Okay, I'll be showing you the leaderboard alternately. Okay, let's move on to one more question. The question, okay. Let's get to know about the leaderboard first, and after that, the leaderboard timing is going to get changed, right? So people, Yuvika is the fastest one to answer this one. Then we have got Om, we have got Shreya, we have got V. Is this V enter or venture? We have got Tanmay, we have got Nidhi, we have got Dr. Centipede, we have got GM, we have got Lola, we have got Jay. Wonderful, guys. Great job done. Okay, the ones who have not joined into the Menti yet, I want you guys, the ones, okay, if you want to participate in the Menti, I want you guys to go to menti.com, yeah, and type the code 57844732. If you type this code in www.menti.com, then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session, right? Okay, let me move on to one more question straight away. Straight away, guys. Look at your phone. Second question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. The question will be on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and now. The number of moles of water present in 360 grams of water is a very simple and basic question, and all of you must answer me this question at least, right? If you have followed the bridge course, if you have followed the first chapter properly, you can easily tell me the answer of this question, right? Bina, you're not supposed to write the answer in the chat box. How many times I'm telling you? Well, I'm requesting the operational team guy, if anyone is writing the answer in the chat box, block him right away, okay? If you want to participate, go to menti.com, type the code 57844732, then only you participate, yeah? Not in the chat box. You have got 5 more seconds. Abhijit will be talking about that after some time. First, focus on the session. Yeah? All right. Majority of the students have given the correct answer. That's wonderful. Well, people, we are given with the mass of water, right? Mass of water is given to me as 360 grams. And all of you must be remembering the molar mass of water, which is 18 grams per mole. Correct? That is the molar mass of water. So I can clearly say number of moles of water is simply going to be equal to mass of water, which is 360 grams, divided by molar mass, which is 18, the value comes out to be 20. So there are basically 20 moles of water present in 360 grams of it, right? A very simple and basic question this was. And majority of the people have given the correct answer. That's actually great. That's wonderful. The ones who have not joined into the Menti yet, I want you guys to go to www.menti.com and type the code 57844732. Then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session, yeah? Let me move on to one more question, yeah? Let me start the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. I have started the countdown. I've started the countdown. How many gram atoms are there in one atom? How many gram atoms are there in one atom? How many gram atoms are there in, gram atoms means moles, okay? Are there in one atom of an element? How many gram atoms? Gram atoms is a term used for moles, okay? Remember this. How many gram atoms, how many moles are there in one atom of an element? Give it a try fast. Do it fast, 3, 2, 1, and the time is up. The time is up. The time is up. Ha, majority of the people are wrong. Yes. That's why I told you, look at the question carefully and then solve it, right? I told you gram atoms, it is the term used for moles, okay? You can call moles as gram atoms or gram molecules as well, right? How many moles are there in one atom of an element, right? Okay, I've got any element whose atom is 1. I've got one atom of an element, right? I need to calculate how many moles these one atom of an element are. So I'll simply write number of moles of an element is going to be equal to number of atoms of an element, that's 1, divided by Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. When you solve this, you get the value as 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24. Correct? This is going to be your answer. So there are basically 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24 moles present in one atom of an element. Yeah? I'm sure you're going to remember this from now onwards. Okay? I'm sure you're going to remember this from now onwards. Majority of the students have given the wrong answer. Yeah? Okay? I was given with the number of particles basically. One atom, number of particles. And whenever we are given with number of particles, and we are supposed to calculate moles, just divide the given number of particles by the Avogadro's number. Wasn't it simple? Yeah? Given number of particles divided by Avogadro's number, it gives me the value of 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24. Correct? Wonderful. Great job done, guys, who have done it correctly. Wonderful. Okay. So let's see the leaderboard. Let me see who is topping the leaderboard right now. Okay. So it's going to be Yuvika at the top, the fastest one to answer. Then we have got Pranav, we have got Tejas, we have got Shrey, we have got, what is it? Hari, what is it? Hari, okay, I'll call it Hari, right? We have got Priyanka, we have got Danu, we have got Simba, we have got Sakura, and we have got Kavya. Wonderful, great job done. Yeah, perfect. Moving on to one more question. The ones who have not joined into the Menti yet, I want you guys to go to www.menti.com, type the code 5784732, then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session. Otherwise, you won't be able to participate. If you want to participate in the Menti session, I want you guys to go to menti.com, type the code 5784732 and be with me till the end, yeah? Okay, let's start the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. I have started the countdown. I have started the countdown, yeah? What is the mass of an atom of oxygen in grams? Isn't it simple? What is the mass of an atom of an oxygen in grams? What is the mass of an atom of an oxygen in grams? Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Give it a try properly. You have got enough time to solve this one, yeah? And I'm sure you can solve this. If you have watched the bridge course sessions, you can easily solve it, right? Right? Mohan, anything can work. Phone or laptop, anything can work. Right? So you've just got 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and the time is up. Yes, the time is up, okay? So let me see how many people have given the answer correctly. We have got majority of the kids who have given the correct answer. Who have given the answer correctly. That's great. Well, people, as you all must be knowing, what is the atomic mass of oxygen? Isn't it 16 AMU? Right? This is the atomic mass of oxygen, 16 AMU, correct? This is the mass of one atom of oxygen. Or if you remember, I used to write it as 16 multiplied by 1 AMU. And people, I hope you remember 1 AMU is nothing, that's 1.66 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 24 grams, correct? So this term is basically the mass of one atom of oxygen in grams, and if you will solve it, it will exactly come out to be 2.656 into 10 raised power minus 23, right? When you'll solve it, you'll get this value exactly, right? Okay, mass of an atom of oxygen in grams I was supposed to calculate. Simple, multiply 16 with this 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24, you'll be getting the answer, yeah? I'm sure it's clear to everyone. Moving on to one more question. The ones who have not joined into the Menti yet, I want you guys to go to www.menti.com, type the code 5784732, then only you can participate in the tonight's Menti session, yeah? This is our fifth question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. I have started the countdown. Yes, guys, look at your screen. In 4 gram atoms means moles, okay? In 4 gram atoms of silver, calculate the mass of silver, amount of silver. Very, very simple, very, very simple. Simple and basic question this is, and I'm sure you guys are going to kill it, right? You've got exact 40 seconds to solve it, right? You've got a lot of time. You can take your time, guys, no issues at all. Give it a try properly. Chat with music. I'll sleep after this session, okay? This is the last session of the day, right? Give it a try, give it a try, give it a try. Basic question, guys, basic simple question. Basic and simple question this is. Yeah? 10 more seconds you have. 10 more seconds, 5 more seconds you have. And the time is up. Well. Again, majority of the students have given the correct answer. That's great. That's great. Well, people, it was a very simple question. Few minutes back only, I told you something. Gram atoms is the term used for moles, right? Gram atoms means moles. So in 4 moles of silver, what is going to... Simple, guys. I'll make it simple for you. What is the mass of 4 moles of silver, right? So basically, I'm given with the number of moles of silver as 4. Right? I need to calculate mass. And if you remember the block diagram which I gave you in the bridge course, you can use that block diagram. I can say mass of silver is going to be equal to number of moles of silver multiplied by molar mass of silver, which all of you must be knowing, that's 108 grams, right? Molar mass of silver. When you calculate the value, it comes out to be 432 grams. So 432 grams is the mass of 4 moles of silver, 4 gram atoms of silver, right? Okay, right? So, wonderful for the ones who have marked it correctly, right? Let's see the leaderboard first. Let's see the leaderboard first, yeah? This is our leaderboard, guys. Well, again, Yuvika is the fastest one to answer this question. That's great. Pranav is at the second position. Then we have got Shrey, we have got Danu, Samuel, Shreya, Priyanka, Simba, Hanan, and Shivam. Wonderful, guys. Chiranjeevi, atomic structure, I'll be starting the next. The next chapter is going to be the atomic structure, yeah? Okay, so let's move on to one more question, which is going to be our 6th question of the session, yeah? I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. I have started the countdown. Look at your phone. Look at your phone. How many atoms are contained in 1 mole of sucrose? See, guys, what kind of basic question this is. Simple thing. And all of you must answer this one. How many atoms are contained in 1 mole of glucose? Just count the atoms, done and dusted, right? Is that? Give it a try, give it a try. Yes? Yes, Aditya will be doing that as well, yeah? You have got 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and the time is up. Yes, the time is up, right? The time is up. Well, majority of the students have given the correct answer. That's great. That's wonderful. It's a very simple question. I have got 1 mole of glucose. 1 mole of glucose contains 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 molecules of glucose, right? Okay, so in one mole of glucose, there will be 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 molecules of glucose, right? So these many molecules of glucose will be present in 1 mole of it, correct? Point number 1. Now, what do I need to calculate? I need to calculate the atoms. Well, people, can I say 1 molecule of glucose contains 6 plus 12 plus 6? That means 24 atoms, right? I can clearly say something like this. So 1 molecule of glucose contains 24 atoms, correct? So I can say Na molecules. Na stands for Avogadro's number. Na molecules of glucose will be containing 24 Na atoms, as simple as that, right? All these basic questions I have covered in the bridge course, if you remember, right? So there will be total 24 Na atoms present in 1 mole of glucose. Very simple, okay? Right? So let's move on to one more question then. This is the 7th question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. Look at your phone, guys. Look at your phone. If the mass of one atom is found out to be this much, then this atom can be, right? If the mass of one atom is found out to be 3.98 into 10 raised power minus 23 grams, then the atom must be. You have got 45 seconds to solve this, right? Right. Is it simple? Give it a try. The time is up. Well, only few people could solve this question. It was a very simple one. This was if the mass of one atom is found out to be 3.989 in 10 raised power minus 23 grams, then the atom can be, okay? So basically mass of one atom of an element is this much, okay? I need to check what is the element. I was simply supposed to divide this term by 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24. I would have got the value exactly as 24, and 24 is basically the atomic mass of magnesium. As simple as that, right? Okay, as per the question, the mass of one atom of element is this much. I was simply supposed to divide it by the AMU. I was simply supposed to divide it by 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24. I would have got the value exactly as 24. 24 was the atomic mass of the magnesium, yeah? Which is, what is the correct answer? Let's see the leaderboard now. Let's see the leaderboard. So again, we have got, I guess, Yuvika, the fastest one to answer this one. Wonderful, Yuvika. Then we have got Danu at the second position. We have got Pranav, Shreya, we have got Tushar again. We have got Samuel, we have got Shreya, we have got Hanan and Simba. Wonderful, guys. Great job done. And the ones who have not joined in the Menti yet, I want you guys to go to www.menti.com, type the code 578472, then only you can participate in the today's Menti session, yeah? Okay, perfecto. Let's move on to one more question. This is the 8th question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. I have started the countdown. What is the mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide? Isn't it very simple? What is the mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide? Okay, what is the mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide in grams? Okay, right? What is the mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide in grams? What is the mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide in grams? Give it a try. You have got 20 more seconds. Give it a try properly, guys. No hurries at all. Just try to solve it and let me know. 10 more seconds you have. 10 more seconds you have. The time is up. Yes, the time is up. Let's see So majority of the students have given the correct answer again. See guys, if you talk about the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 AMU, correct? Right? This is the mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide. Or I can write it as 44 multiplied by 1 AMU. And if you remember, 1 AMU is nothing. 1 AMU is 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24, right? So this is basically the mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide in grams. And when you'll solve it, you'll get the exact value of something as 7.30 into 10 raised power minus 23 grams. Okay, this is going to be the final result, right? This is the mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide in grams, right? I'm sure this is again clear to you. I'm moving on to one more question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. Yes, atomic structure will be done in the coming week. So calculate the number of electrons and protons in 56 grams of N3 negative. Okay, N3 negative, N tri-negative. We have got N tri-negative. Calculate the number of electrons and protons in 56 grams of N tri-negative. You have got 45 seconds. Give it a try, guys. I have taught you all this in the bridge course as well, if you remember. Yes, Arun, you can let me know your question. What is it all about? Tushar, I take classes regularly for 6-7 hours. Okay, you have got 5 more seconds. The time is about to end. And the time is up. Yes, the time is up. Okay, so let's see. Only few people could solve it, right? So let me show you how this question was to be solved. This is something which I've told you in the second session of the bridge course, if you remember. Yeah? See guys, we have got something called as N tri-negative. We have got something called as N3 negative, N tri-negative, correct? If I ask you what is the molar mass of nitrogen? Molar mass of nitrogen, all of you must be knowing that's 14 grams per mole, right? It's the molar mass of nitrogen. What is the atomic number of nitrogen? It's 7. Yeah, atomic number of nitrogen is 7. All of you must be knowing that as well. Okay. So first of all, how many grams of nitrogen do we have? We have got 56 grams of nitrogen. So first of all, I'm going to calculate number of moles of N tri-negative. It's going to be equal to mass of N tri-negative, it's 56 divided by molar mass is 14. Value comes out to be 4, right? So basically we have got 4 moles of N tri-negative. If I ask you how many particles of N tri-negative do we have? Particles of N tri-negative. How many particles of N tri-negative do we have? I'm simply supposed to multiply the moles by the Avogadro's number. So 4Na. So these many particles of N tri-negative we have, right? Now we will understand. Right, see. What is the atomic number of nitrogen? Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So I'll say one atom of nitrogen contains 7 protons, right? I'll say one N3 particle contains how many protons? It contains 7 protons. And how many electrons it will contain? 7 electrons, and apart from that there is tri-negative charge, so 7 plus 3, 10 electrons, right? So I'll say one ion of N tri-negative contains 7 protons and 10 electrons. But do we have one particle of N tri-negative or 4 Na particles? I have 4 Na particles. So 4 Na particles of N tri-negative will contain, simply multiply by 4 Na over here, you get as 28 Na protons and 40 Na electrons. So in 56 grams of N tri-negative, you'll find 28 Na protons and 40 Na electrons, right? All this I've taught in detail in the bridge course, if you see. Okay, so people, so the correct answer is going to be the first option over here. Yeah, right? Wonderful. Let's get to know the leader. Let's see the leaderboard first. Let's see the leaderboard. Well, Yuvika is still at the top, I believe, yeah? Okay, we have got Yuvika, again the fastest one to answer this one. Then we have got Danu, we have got Pranav, we have got Shrey. Sir, I'm joining 24th May class. That's great. Tushar is there, Priyanka is there, Tushar again is there, Samuel is there, and Chinmay is there. Wonderful, guys. Great job done. Perfect. Let's move on to one more question, yeah? It's okay, Ami. It's okay. Welcome. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. The countdown has started. Look at your phone. How many moles of nitrogen are needed to produce 10.8 moles of ammonia by the reaction with hydrogen? How many moles of nitrogen are needed to produce 10.8 moles of ammonia by the reaction with hydrogen? Okay. How many moles of nitrogen are needed to produce 10.8 moles of ammonia by the reaction with hydrogen? Give it a try. It's a simpler one. It's a simpler one, yeah? And I'm sure you all can kill this question, right? You've got 10 more seconds to solve this one. Oh my God. Thank you, chat with music. W, well-known. A, all-rounder. S, superpower. I, intelligent. M, mad on chemistry. Oh, thank you. Well, majority of the students have given the correct answer. That's great. Let's see how this question was to be solved. First of all, these are the questions which I've taught you in the stoichiometry, if you remember. We have got the reaction as N2 plus 3 times H2. It gives NH3, 2 times NH3. This is a balanced chemical equation, right? The stoichiometric coefficient of nitrogen right here is 1. The stoichiometric coefficient of NH3 is 2. Correct? Can I say 2 moles of NH3? Can I say 2 moles of NH3? As per the stoichiometry of the reaction, I can see 2 moles of NH3 are produced from 1 mole of nitrogen. Yeah, 1 mole of nitrogen. So 1 mole of NH3 will be produced from 1 by 2 moles of nitrogen. Correct? But am I getting 1 mole of NH3 or I'm getting 10.8 moles of NH3? 10.8 moles of NH3 will be produced from 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 10.8 moles of nitrogen. The answer will be 5.4. So 5.4 moles of nitrogen are required. 5.4 moles of nitrogen are required to produce 10.8 moles of ammonia as per the question, right? A very simple question from the stoichiometry. I'm sure all of you would have liked it and done it properly. I'm moving on to one more, yeah? Let's move on to one more question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. The countdown has started. Look at your phone, guys. Look at your phone. Thank you, Yash. Thank you, Shivani. The correct formula of molarity. People, in the last session only, I've talked about molarity in detail, right? Okay. All of you must answer this question at least. All of you. The correct formula of molarity. Isn't it a simple question, right? The theoretical question, I must say. Sunita, I'm doing great. You have got 15 more seconds. Yes, I have done civil engineering. Okay, I'm basically a civil engineer. Perfect. So your time is ending in, and it's up. Yes, the time is up. So people, there's no need to discuss this question. Molarity is simple. Number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. The formula of molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters, right? Okay, very simple question this was. Let's see the leaderboard. Well, majority of the students have given the correct answer only. That's great. Well. Again, Yuvika is at the top only. I don't know what Yuvika is doing. She's the fastest to answer this one. Then we have got Danu. Then we have got Shrey. We have got Sir, I'm joining 24th May class. That's great. I'll see you there in my class on 24th May on the pro subscription on the actual Vedantu platform. People, if you do not know, my batch on Vedantu actual pro subscription, I mean the actual Vedantu classroom for the class 11 students is starting on 24th of May. If you're not enrolled in the pro subscription yet, do get enrolled, right? Okay, do get enrolled in that and use the coupon code as WSPRO, which is my coupon code Wassim Sir's pro subscription. If you want to be the part of my classes, you can go to the link which is there in the description or the description box of the video. Click on the link and use the coupon code as WSPRO, right? You'll be automatically getting added into my batch, which I'm starting on 24th of May, right? Perfect. So we have got Tushar, the next, then we have got Priyanka, then we have got Tushar again, then we have got Chinmay, then we have got Pranav, then we have got Simba. Wonderful, guys. Moving on to one more question. This is the 12th question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. I've started the countdown, yeah? I've started the countdown. Calculate the molarity of the solution containing 400 grams of NaOH in 10 liters of solution. Isn't it a very, 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 very simple question, yeah? Give it a try fast. Let me know the answer fast, yeah? Is that Pratap? I never knew that, bro. You're the first one who's telling me that. 40 more seconds. Simple question this is, yeah? Yuvika, chill. They are trying to distract you, okay? You just focus on the session. Thank you, Shravani. Thank you. Give it a try fast. You have got 15 more seconds. 10 more seconds you have. 3, 2, 1, and the time is up. Yes, the time is up. Well, it was a very, very simple question. We were supposed to calculate molarity, right? People, if you remember, molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Now, number of moles of solute is going to be equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute. Molar mass of NaOH is 40, divided by volume of solution in liters, that's 10. So you get the value right here as 1. So molarity of the solution is 1, right? It was supposed to be the correct one. In the last session itself, I've taught you the molarity in detail, if you remember. I'm moving on directly to one more question, right? One more question right here on your screen. Look at the question, guys. Starting the countdown. 3, 2, 1, and now. The incorrect statement regarding mole fraction is. The incorrect statement regarding mole fraction is. The formula of mole fraction of solvent is Chi A is Na divided by Na plus Nb. The formula of mole fraction of solute is this. Chi A plus Chi B is 1. Mole fraction is dependent of temperature. Yes, Ishfaq, I'll be taking the Menti session of all the chapters. Why not? Simple question this is, guys. Kul Gaurav Tripathi Saab, this is the English channel. I'm not supposed to talk in Hindi, right? आप channel का नाम देख सकते हैं. It is Vedantu JEE English. Sanjit, no, that's not good, bro. You just read the question, try to do it, then give the answers. Perfect, guys. Well, majority of the students have given the correct answer. Yes, exactly. Mole fraction is the one which is temperature independent, okay? Because in the formula of mole fraction, there is no volume term included, okay? Right? If you remember, molarity is temperature dependent, molality is temperature independent, mole fraction is also temperature independent. Because in the formula of mole fraction, you won't see any volume term included in that, right? Okay, we have done all this in detail if you remember, right? I'm moving on to one more question. Before that, let's see the leaderboard. Let's see the leaderboard. Still, Yuvika is going to be at the top. Then we have got Danu, we have got Shrev, we have got... Sir, I'm joining 24th May class. That's great. See you on 24th May Monday. Then we have got Chinmay, Priyanka, Tushar, Pranav, and Hari. Wonderful. Moving on to one more question. Yes, moving on to one more question. This is the 14th question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. I've started the countdown. I want you guys to look at your screen. The correct formula of molality, right? Molality. Dasankar, my favorite South Indian language is definitely going to be Tamil. 35 seconds more. 35 seconds more. 30 seconds more. Samuel, I have many friends who used to speak Telugu language, but I could never learn that. It's just I've stayed around for 5-6 years. I've stayed in Tamil Nadu, so I understand the language a bit. Okay. Well, exactly majority of the students have given the correct answer. Molality is nothing number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. So N2 divided by W1 in kg is going to be the formula, right? In the last session itself, we have discussed this. Okay, I'm not going to discuss this again. Yeah. Right? So let's move on to one more question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. I've started the countdown. Tamil konjam konjam terima. Calculate the molality of the solution containing 2 moles of NaCl in 1.5 kgs of water. Give it a try. Let me know the answer. You've got 50 more seconds. I want all of you to give it a try properly. Yeah? Give it a try, give it a try. Calculate the molality of the solution containing 2 moles of NaCl in 1.5 kg of water. Yeah? Chinmay, I had many Marathi friends in the college as well who could speak Marathi, right? Perfect, the time is up. Let's see what the question says. Simple formula based question. Well, majority of the students have again given the correct answer. That's great. Calculate the molality of the solution containing 2 moles of NaCl in 1.5 kg of water. Very simple question. Molality is nothing, number of moles of solute, and the number of moles of solute are given to be as 2 divided by mass of solvent in kilograms. 2 divided by 1.5. The value is going to come out to be 1.33, right? So 1.33 is going to be the molality of the solution which you were supposed to calculate, right? Yeah? Perfect. Let's move on to one more question. But before that, I think we are going to see the leaderboard. Is that? Yes, we are going to see the leaderboard. Again, Yuvika is at the top. Yuvika is actually killing it, yeah? She's the fastest to answer this one. Then we have got Danu. We have got Saram joining 24th May class. Welcome on Monday to the actual Vedantu classroom, which is starting on 24th. Then we have got Shrey, we have got Chinmay, we have got Pranav, we have got Tushar, we have got Hari, we have got Tushar again, and we have got Priyanka. Wonderful, guys. Let's move on to the 16th question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. Yes, I have started the countdown. I have started the countdown, right? Find the number of molecules in 3.4 grams of H2S, right? Find the number of molecules. Find the number of molecules in 3.5 grams of H2S. गौरव, मैं एक्चुअली हिंदी में ही बात करता हूँ, राइट? घर पे हिंदी ही चलती है, घर पे अंग्रेजी नहीं चलती. Find the number of molecules in 3.4 grams of H2S. No, Murugan, I'm right now at home. I'm right now live from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Yeah? Okay, you have got 5 more seconds to solve this one. 3, 2, 1. The time is up. Yes, the time is up. So let's see. Majority of the students have again given the correct answer. Find the number of molecules in 3.5 grams of H2S. First of all of you must know what is the molar mass of H2S. Molar mass of H2S is simple, that's 34 grams. Correct? Let me calculate the number of moles of H2S first, which is going to be equal to mass of H2S, which is 3.4 divided by molar mass, which is 34. The value comes out to be 0.1. So the number of molecules, I must say, number of molecules of H2S are going to be equal to moles of H2S multiplied by Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 raised power 23. So final value you'll be getting as 6.022 into 10 raised power 22. So there are 6.022 into 10 raised power 22 molecules of H2S present in 3.4 grams of it. Yeah? Right? Perfect. Moving on to one more question. Starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. Yes, I've started the countdown. Abhinash, I'll be letting you know about that at the end, right? About the batch which I'm going to start on 24th of May. I'm going to tell you about that batch in some time, okay? 1 liter nitrogen gas at STP will weigh 1 liter of nitrogen gas at STP will weigh 1 liter of N2 gas at STP will weigh. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. 1 liter N2 gas at STP will weigh. I knew majority of the people have given this answer, 22.4. Yeah? Yes, but this is going to be wrong. Correct? See, why is that? We are given with 1 liter of N2 gas, right? So volume of N2 gas is given to me as 1 liter. So first of all, let me calculate the number of moles. Number of moles of N2 is going to be equal to volume of N2 divided by 22.4. So these many moles of N2 we have. Then I'm supposed to calculate mass of N2. Mass of N2 is going to be equal to number of moles of N2 multiplied by molar mass of N2, which is 28 grams. So the value comes out to be 1.25 grams. So mass of 1 liter of N2 gas at STP is going to be 1.25 grams. As simple as that, yeah? Right? Okay? Wonderful. So let's see the leaderboard now. Let's see the leaderboard now. Yuvika is still at the top, yeah? That's great, Yuvika. You're the fastest one to answer this one. Then we have got Saram Jain joining on 24th May. Then we have got Shrey, we have got Danu, we have got Chinmay, we have got Hanan, Priyanka, Tushar, Pranav and Hari. Wonderful, guys. I'm moving on to the, I guess it is the 18th question, is that? Yeah. Okay. Starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and I've started the countdown. Look at your phone, guys. The following reaction mixture contains 2 moles of H2 and 2 moles of O2. Then the limiting reagent will be. Limiting reagent will be. Let me know answer of this question. Limiting reagent will be. Case it's not cold air, it's fine now. You're supposed to identify which one is the limiting reagent, yeah? You're supposed to identify which one is the limiting reagent. And I've told you a simple trick by means of which you can identify the limiting reagent, yeah? I've told you the simple trick if you remember. So you have got 15 more seconds, right? Give it a try properly. Adya, I do not know Malayalam, I'm sorry. Arjun, I'm from Srinagar. Well, again, majority of the students given the correct answer. Well, people understand. I'm given the reaction as 2 times H2 plus O2, correct? Gives 2 times H2. The reaction is already balanced. How many moles of H2 do we have? We have got 2 moles of H2 and we have got 2 moles of oxygen as well, right? So how to identify the limiting reagent? Just divide the moles by the respective stoichiometry coefficients. Stoichiometry coefficient of H2 is 2. Stoichiometry coefficient of O2 is 1. So 2 divided by 2 comes out to be 1. 2 divided by 1 comes out to be 2. This value is lesser. So H2 is going to be my limiting reagent. Yeah. Simple method which I told you in the limiting reagent concept if you remember. Yeah. Okay. General, I'm taking sessions for the students who are going to write the NEET also on different channel. The name of the channel is NEET Elite English, okay? Right? On that channel, I take sessions twice in a day, right? If you're a NEET aspirant, go and subscribe to the NEET Elite English channel. There also, I only take chemistry, yeah? Perfecto. Let's move on to one more question then. Okay, this is the 19th question. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. Yes. Yes. how much water should be added such that 200 ml of 2 molar solution becomes 0.2. I'm not going to give you the solution of this question because this question I've shown in the last session itself. The last session of concentration terms, we have done this question. I'm not going to show you the solution of this question. If you want to see the solution, I want you guys to go to the last session which I took, that is yesterday's session. In the yesterday's session, I have discussed this question, yeah? Yes, Monali, yes. Yes, Yuvika, I know you're a NEET aspirant. You follow my sessions on NEET Elite channel as well. I know that. So people, you have got 25 seconds more to answer this one. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you. Karthik, bro, I really don't know that. Perfect. You have got 10 more seconds. The time is up. Yes, the time is up. The answer is going to be 1800 ml. I remember the answer of the question, right? It's 1800 ml, correct? This question I've shown in the last session, so I'm not going to explain this. If you want to see the solution of this question, I want you guys to see the last session, which I took on the same channel. There I have discussed this question, right? No, Gokulesh, no way. Perfecto, wonderful. So people, this is the leaderboard. Yuvika is still at the top. Then we have got, sir, I'm joining 24th May. Okay, then it's the same. The list is the same. Yeah, the list is the same. Exactly. We have got Sanjay here. Sanjay is new, I guess. Is that? Okay. Moving on to the last question. Yeah. This is the last question of tonight's Menti session. I'm starting the countdown in 3, 2, 1, and now. I have started the question. I've started the countdown. So give it a try. A solution contains 2 moles of NaOH and 8 moles of water. Find the mole fraction of NaOH in the solution. A very, very simple question, yeah. I'm good with moles of both the components. I'm supposed to calculate the mole fraction. You can easily solve this one. You can kill it out, yeah. Of course, Gaurav, why not? Thirty more seconds. Someone is saying mole fraction values too. Bro, maximum value of mole fraction is always equal. Maximum value of mole fraction is 1. Okay. Yes, Tushar, yes. Perfecto, the time is up. Majority of the students have given the correct answer. So what you were supposed to do in this question, a solution contains 2 moles of NaOH, yeah, and 8 moles of water. Find the mole fraction of NaOH. So mole fraction of NaOH is simply going to be equal to number of moles of NaOH divided by total moles present in the container, which is going to be number of moles of NaOH plus number of moles of H2O, correct? So number of moles of NaOH is given to us as 2. 2 divided by total moles, 8 plus 2 is 10. 2 divided by 10, that means 1 divided by 5, value comes out to be 0.2. So 0.2 is the mole fraction of NaOH in the container. Yeah, perfect. So let's see the final result. It's going to be Yuvika. I need to take a screenshot of it. Yeah, I need to take a screenshot of it, and it's going to be my story on my Instagram. If you're not following me, go to Instagram, search WASSIMBHAT. You'll be finding Yuvika as the story of mine over there. Right? Perfecto. Yeah? Wonderful, guys. Great, Yuvika. Great job done. Right? Congratulations again. 2-3 hours back, I took one Menti session on NEET Elite, and she was the winner there as well. That's great, Yuvika. That means your preparation is up to the mark. That's wonderful. So people, before ending the session, I need to tell you one important thing, and I want all of you to understand what I'm going to tell you now, okay? So let me first of all show you what all things we discussed, what all questions we discussed, right? Well, people, the ones who have not liked the video yet, please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Yeah? So these are the questions which we have done till now, right? And you're going to get the PDF of this in the Telegram group. If you're not in the Telegram group, just there's a link in the description box of the video. I want you guys to click on that link, get added to the Telegram group, and stay updated with the classes and get these PDFs as well, right? Okay. All right, guys, this is the best thing which I want to share with you. Well, people, the next batch for class 11th is starting on 24th of May, and my batch is starting on 24th of May, actually. Okay, my batch is starting on 24th of May. Okay, so people, the ones who are currently, who have just entered into class 11th, right, we have got some special things for you, right? You all might be, some people might be new to the Vedantu classes, right? You might think YouTube sessions are, this is only Vedantu. No, guys, this is not only Vedantu, okay, right? This is just a 5% of actual Vedantu classrooms, right? So we have got actual Vedantu classrooms, right? Okay, and people, these YouTube sessions are just the supplementary sessions to those sessions which we take on the actual Vedantu platform. Well, in order to get enrolled in the actual Vedantu classroom, right? Okay, what I want you guys to do is, we have got three courses for you, right? So one is called as Light Program. This Light Program, if you want to stay with us for 2 years, if you want me to train you personally for 2 years in chemistry, right? I want you guys to take any one of this plan over here, yeah? And people, this is the course fee for the first program which we have, which is the Light Program. And this is valid for 2 years, yeah? Okay, this much amount. It is a complete package for 2 years, okay? And people, Vedantu has kept one nice option, which I really liked, that you can pay this much of amount in EMIs as well. Monthly, you can pay the fees, right? It's not necessary to pay the entire amount in one go. No way, you can pay this in the form of EMI as well. And this is the amount for the 2 years. It's not yearly you have to pay this much. No, it's for 2 years complete. What all things you'll be getting right here, if you're getting enrolled in this program, you'll be getting live interactive online classes in physics, chemistry, as well as mathematics. Apart from that, there'll be test series analysis, notes, and the best part is this study material. The study material which you get in Vedantu, that's what we call as Tattva material. That's one of the best study materials which you can ever get in the country. Okay, so people, if you're getting this Vedantu study material, there is no need to follow any other book, right? Okay, and people, if you are new to Vedantu, you have no idea about the actual Vedantu platform. Vedantu has kept one nice option as well. What is that? You can just try it for a month. Okay, you can just try it for a month. You can get the course for a month, and the course price for a month is just 2,700, right? You can just get enrolled in this batch for a month. If you think you are getting benefited from it, you are getting benefited from the actual Vedantu classrooms, then you can go for the 2-year classroom program, right? You can check it out for a month as well. Okay, this was the first program which we have, Light Program. The second one is Classic. Whatever features were there in Light, apart from those, we are having one additional feature, that is doubt solving on mobile app. Whenever you feel any sort of doubt, you can write that doubt. You can write that doubt on the app which will be provided to you. At that time itself, you'll be getting the answers of all your doubts, right? So people, what you can do, this is the course fee for this program, for the Classic program, in which you get doubt solving app as well, and no need to pay this much of amount in one go. You can try it out, okay? You can just pay this much of amount in installments as well, yeah? And people, at the same time, if you are new to Vedantu, you have no idea about the actual Vedantu classroom, what you need to do is, you just take the course for a month. If you think you are getting benefit from the sessions from the actual Vedantu classroom, what you need to do is, then only you can go for the 2-year classroom program, yeah? Right? And at the same time, there is one more program which we have, that's Plus. What all features we have in Plus? What all features were there in Classic? Apart from that, we have got the personal mentor you'll be getting in this one, yeah? You'll be getting personally trained by the teachers of your choice in this program, in all the 3 programs actually, but over here you get the personalized mentor, and whenever you feel any sort of doubt, you can call your mentor anytime in your physics, chemistry, as well as mathematics, yeah? No, Gayatri, you cannot do that. You cannot do that. Well, people, this is the course fee for 2 years, and you can pay this much of fees in the form of EMI as well, right? You can pay this much of amount in EMI as well, and you can just give it a try for a month as well, right? Okay, if you're actually getting benefited, then go for the 2-year classroom program, yeah? Now people understand. Yes, Avinash, it's going to be your wish to select the language, yeah? And people, how to get enrolled in any of these courses right here, just there's a link in the description box of the video. I want you guys to click on that link, and after clicking on that link, I want you guys to use this coupon code, which is WSPRO. It's my coupon code, Wassim Sir's Pro Subscription, if you want me to train you personally in your chemistry on the actual Vedantu platform as well. Yeah, right? Okay. Yes, Hadi, that's a crash course. That's a crash course. For the crash course, that's the crash course which you are talking about. Okay, the link is in the description box of the video as well. Yes, Geetika, I'll teach in 12th standard as well. Absolutely. So people, there is a link in the description box of the video. Click on the link, get added to the long-term batches by just entering this coupon code WSPRO, which is my coupon code. If you want me to train you personally, yeah, do type this coupon code while enrolling, right? And the batch is starting on 24th of May, and hurry up, get enrolled in this batch. I'm telling you, it's going to be fun being with us for 2 years. We are going to train you personally for the upcoming JEE 2023 examination through the actual Vedantu platform, right? This was all about it. Okay, so there is one more link in the description box of the video, which is for the Telegram. I want you guys to click on that link as well, get added to the Telegram group and stay updated about the classes. And at the end, for the ones who have not liked the video yet, please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you stay notified about all these sessions, right? And the ones who are NEET aspirants, I take classes for NEET aspirants on a different channel, which is NEET Elite English channel. Just search it out, NEET Elite English channel, subscribe to the channel, and you can follow me there as well for the NEET sessions, right? So it was nice meeting you. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow at the same time, 10:30 p.m. Okay, till then, you guys take care. Bye-bye. God bless you all. Love you all, and see you soon. Bye, guys. Take care. Yes, Mohit, only the online classes. Yes. Yes, Tushar, I've seen the quota factory. Yes, I've seen it many a times. Chalo, take care, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night. Hi, Indu. Good night.